Hey everybody, Lee here again. Haven't done a video in a little bit, and there's nothing for a finished project in this one, but instead, an exciting little update to my mapmaking workflow. So, in previous projects, to figure out the tectonic history for a client's planet, I would project the client's preliminary map onto a sphere in Blender, cut the continental crust into pieces based on the established plate boundaries using the mask tool, usually, and then rearrange those pieces into some sort of supercontinent that might plausibly break up and drift to form the planet's current setup. This part is much the same now, down to the multiple times retrying and adjusting the drift origins and directions and timings to be more realistic. But what's different is that previously I would manually trace the outlines of each and every plate for each and every stage onto a textured sphere so that I would have the equirectangular map for each stage, which was often a waste because I'd still need to adjust something. And now I have found a way to not need to do that. Now my computer gets a little mad and makes a little noise when I do this, so I have to take screenshots instead of waiting to directly export the rendered image. But what I can do now is take Blender's camera, position it directly at the center of the planet, and point it at the equator and central longitude. Make the sphere hollow so that the continental crust cutouts sit just on the inner surface of it. Switch the render engine from EV to cycles, and switch the camera from perspective or orthographic to equirectangular panorama. The results are backwards compared to the actual map because we're looking at it from the inside, but that's an easy fix in the image editing program. I have to compile it all in anyhow. And now I don't have to painstakingly trace all the plates for 6 or 7 stages of imaginary tectonic history. So now I won't waste as much time between false starts. Okay, that was all. Gonna be a while before there's anything on the project this is ultimately for, but I do thank you all for watching. Bye now.